Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little unboxing, and it wouldn't be safe to say that it's an unboxing because I've already opened the box, but I'm going to show you what I got. I have purchased this item from Tradesy. It's been my 5th purchase with Tradesy. I absolutely love Tradesy. I love Tradesy. I love being able to find my pre-loved items on there at the price that I want to pay. So today I have it's all scrunched up right now. Hold on, let me just get her pretty for you because it always comes out of the box like super squished and stuff. But it's the Speedy Bandolier 25. You guys, this bag was made in 2004. I bought her from a Tradesy seller named LuxeTradesy, I believe. They're like a certified Tradesy seller. They have tons of followers, tons of beautiful bags. Now with Tradesy, let me explain a little bit with Tradesy for you. Tradesy is a buy and sell site. What I always do with all my pre-loved bags that I find on Tradesy, I always inbox the seller because the seller said she didn't have the dust bag listed, right? But I actually inboxed her, and the only thing I said, the first line I said was, "Does this come with a dust bag?" She says, "No, but we can provide you with one." So I'm like, hey, yes, I was gonna buy her regardless if they provide the dust bag or not. But thank God they did. So she provided me with a dust bag. It came within 4 days. I bought her on a Thursday, and it came today, which is Monday. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So really 3 days, because Sundays, FedEx doesn't work on Sundays. So really it came within 3 days if you really think about it. So they did provide me with a dust bag. See, it's all wrinkled up in there, but it's there. I'm going to wash it, and I'm going to use it, of course. Oh, you know what? It says Lux Time. That's who I brought it from. But I don't think their Tradesy's name is called Lux Time. I don't know. I'll list the seller down below in case you're interested. They have tons of amazing bags. I've been looking for a 25, a Speedy 25 for quite some time now. I've been eyeing a couple on Fashion File. I was just waiting for the price to go down a little bit before I purchased it. So this bag was initially listed at $1,095, which is really great because we all know that this bag is about, almost $1,500 with taxes, brand new in stores. But the reason why I wanted to get her pre-loved was because of the patina on this bag. It's a 2014, like I said, but look at the patina on her. She is beautiful. I haven't even cleaned her yet. I'm going to go in and clean her up, use some baby wipes on her, condition her up a little bit. But you guys, this bag is in phenomenal condition. Okay, so let's talk pricing real quick. So she initially had it listed at $1,095. She had 2 on here. The other one was a 2012. This one was a 2014. So I said, hey, I inboxed her about the dust bag. She says she'll provide the dust bag. I said, if I purchase this now, can you provide a discount? And she says, the best I can do is $1,050. Sold. I was already going to buy her at the $1,095 price, but she said, you're able to talk to the sellers on Tradesy. That's the great thing. And if she would have said no, she wouldn't have offered the discount. I would have bought her anyways. But she dropped it from $1,095 to $1,050. So with that $1,050, I had Tradesy always has sales on there as far as coupon codes. So there was a coupon code on there. If I spend $1,000, they'll knock off $150. So the bag was $1,050. They took off that $150 Tradesy site sale that they got going on, and I paid $900 for her. She's in great condition. The only thing that I can see that's wrong with it is there's a little bit of cracking. See? Oh, it feels like it hurts when I do that. It feels like a cracked nail or something. So I don't know how to fix that. I'm gonna see if I could get some like leather balm or something to kind of push her back down. I don't know. Because if it gets any worse, I don't want to fix it. And then if I have to take it into the Louis Vuitton store to get fixed, I don't want them to tell me that, no, they can't fix it because it's been altered. We'll see. Well, I'm going to see what I'm going to do with that. I'm not quite sure yet. See, so it's just kind of like cracking a little bit. Which is fine because the rest of the bag is beautiful. There's no scuffs in any of the corners. And this bag was actually made in France. Let me scoot in a little bit. It came with a lock, but no key. The lock is super dull and dirty, but I could clean that off with Brassos really quickly and with no problem. So I'm going to bring some Brassos on her. 25 is right there, is it? Yep, see the 25 is right there. The zipper zips great. There's nothing wrong with it. Even though I am going to go in and Brassos the zipper because it's a little bit dull. Oh my God, you guys, the Speedy 25 is my favorite size bag because, no, if it's not a bandolier, if it doesn't come with a bandolier, I wouldn't not buy her. I would not wear a Speedy bag without the bandolier. It has to have the bandolier straps on it in order for me to love it. Now this is complete my collection. I have the one in Damier Azur, Damier Bean. Now I have the monogram. I really wanted the one in the leather, the empreinte leather, but that's a little pricier. So I've been kind of like on a shopping splurge with my bags lately, but now I'm all set with my collection, with my Louis Vuitton collection at least. And now I'm going to start to venture out. And I want to really get a YSL bag, but that's going to have to wait a little bit. But I just wanted to show you the patina on her. She is, for a 2004 bag, she's 5 years old. Like, she is such an amazing condition. I'm going to put a bag organizer in here because all of my Speedies, I do put a bag organizer in there because I like to have the structured shape. She's super clean on the inside. There's no stains, no marks, no pens, nothing. And you know what? I have so many Louis Vuitton bags. The older bags, like 2016 older, I don't know. It just feels like the leather is a little bit thicker than the newly made one. Because when I purchased my Damier Bean last year and I went to the Louis Vuitton store, like, it just doesn't feel the same. Like, the quality just feels so much better, you guys. I don't know. So, I'm going to go ahead and get her cleaned up. I'm going to clean the handles a little bit because they're kind of dark. Oh, my gosh. See, it's peeling off already. That's the only thing that's... You see? But I wonder if I could, like, use some leather glue or... I don't know. I'm not going to touch that part anymore. I have like a whole big old stash of stuff to fix and clean bags. So maybe I could find something that I could put on there. Other than that little issue with the peeling of the glazing, this bag is so amazing. I'm so in love with her. I'm going to be wearing her as soon as I finish cleaning it. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy my video. I just wanted to come on and show you my bag. Now my Louis Vuitton collection is complete, and I'm super happy. Can you guys I just can't, with the patina on this bag for being a 2014, look how beautiful it is. Jeez. And we all know, like, see, this is a little dirty, but I'm going to clean her. And this is, like, the clasp is always shinier than the actual, like, D-ring for some reason. I don't know. It's, like, two different types of hardware or something. Anyways, thank you for watching, you guys. Hope you have a great day. Okay, you guys, so I actually just finished cleaning her up a little bit. I had cleaned and conditioned the canvas with some, I guess, leather and conditioner, like the turtle wax stuff. I did go in and clean the chaps a little bit, just conditioned it a little bit. It didn't really need much. There's still some scratches and stuff on there, but I'm not completely done. Let's see here. See, it's still a little bit wet. I did go in and clean the zippers. with some brassos, the buckles as well, so it looks nice and shiny. I did clean the D-ring on the side right there. And let's see here. Did I condition this side? No, this side I didn't condition because I wanted to see how she came out on this side first. Oh, and did I tell you this bag is made in France? See, so there's still some stains on here, but I did condition this side, and it looks, it's not completely dried yet, but the patina is still a pretty color. I gotta work on that little dirt spot right there. I did clean the lock, super shiny and bright now. I did clean these little knobs as well, and I went in and I cleaned, or I conditioned my straps. So there's what it looks like. And I did put my little cheapy luggage tag. I call it cheapy luggage tag on there. I might take it out because it's not the same color. This is a lighter one. It's a lighter patina than my handles. So I might take it off. I don't know. It just depends. I'm not sure yet. I'm still playing with her. So there she is, nice and clean. I have a base shaper in here right now, so she's very well, you know, like structured, which I love. And I can't be happier with her. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Bye.